Here is the list of countries, shown in drop-down. This data can come from database or can be static. Now we want to set country India as selected in drop-down. So we will set country_id as 1. You can see for India country_id is 1. Now we will compare our country_id with for loop, and if loop country_id match with our country_id, we will set is_selected variable as selected. We will print selected in option to mark it as selected. Save the program. Now we will run the program, and you can see India is selected in drop-down. That's what we needed. Now we will set USA as selected. So country_id of USA is 2, so we will set country_id variable to 2. Save the program. And our result USA is selected.